Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So as we can see now, we have like the circles animation here, and if you want to change it, we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to the biometrics and password. Then tap here to fingerprint ID, enter your unlock method, and you will see here fingerprint animation. Just to change it from the ripples, we should just select one from these available animations. For example, let's use the fireworks. Click here to OK in the right down corner, and let's lock our device. And we can see that we just changed our fingerprint sensor animation successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.